Want to price homes with confidence, close faster, and impress your clients with data they can't argue with? Great, because today I'm going to walk you through how to generate a comparable sales report in Land ID. It'll only take minutes instead of hours. So instead of guessing what a property is worth or digging through endless spreadsheets, this tool pulls verified comps and wraps them into a professional PDF that you can share with clients, sellers, or your team. Let's dive in. Just search for and select the property you're evaluating and click the Build Comparable Sales Report button in the parcel cart. Then you can identify if you want just the one parcel or if you want to include multiple parcels. For this, we'll just do the one and we'll click View Results. Land ID automatically identifies similar sales based on the location and characteristics of the property. You'll see a list of suggested comps, but ultimately the power to choose which properties to include in the comp report is up to you. So you can go through and select which ones to include based on sale price, location, sale date, acreage, and price per acre. You can click on any property on the map and it'll center and highlight it in the sidebar. And if you want to see more info on a specific property, just click on it on the sidebar and it'll pull up that property's parcel card. You can exit out and click this checkbox to include it. When you've got your comps selected, click Get Report. You can name the report whatever you'd like, and Land ID will create it and download it as a PDF to your Downloads folder. And now you've got a polished, shareable PDF that not only looks great, but gives you an overview of each comp and its location to the subject property, a summary of every comparable sale and its important information, removes any sensitive data, and only took a couple of minutes to generate. Use it to justify your pricing strategy, educate your sellers, back up your recommendations with hard data, and stand out in competitive markets, all without spending hours on research. It's perfect for listing presentations, pricing recommendations, or client consults. And pro tip, you can also add these comparable properties as boundaries to the Land ID map of your subject property and attach the comp report as a document, so when you meet with your clients, you have everything in one easy to view and use space. This feature is currently available on the desktop version of Land ID and included for our Pro and Pro Unlimited users. So if you're not already a Pro user, click the link in the description to try it out. To find out more, visit our help center at support.id.land. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend and subscribe for more Land ID tips. Until next time.